Okay, let's just go around it without thinking too much, and then I'll take it out and judge it. But like I said plenty of times on my videos before, you get kind of illusions with jewellery, like you might have made a collet, the wall of that collet might be slightly thicker one side than the other, or it might be a burr or something, and you end up marking things out the way you think is totally correct, but then when you look at it from a different angle, you rotate it or whatever, it looks completely wrong again. And there are plenty of situations where I've made things wrong on purpose just because I'm playing with illusions to get them to look right. Like you've got one side, you're trying to make something look symmetrical, but you're working with bits of metal that are, well, the thicknesses are different all the way around it. Okay, let's take that out and have a look. I'm not really liking it, to be honest. I said I didn't like it, but you know what? That was first attempt, minimum effort. It's really good. This is going to be really helpful. I just lined, because the gaps around there were quite thick, I just put my saw blade in the middle of that gap, and then without really thinking too much or judging one mark compared to the other, I just went around it doing that. It's actually really good. Might not be perfect, like I was just talking about illusions and stuff. You might end up making adjustments, but wow, what a fast way to get your claws marked out.